Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create text, spacing, animation in Canva. Right now as you can see, we are into Canva and here we have just selected a blank video template. Now we are just going to select this template, right? Let me click on the plus icon, blank template, and select this template. Change the color of this template to whatever the color you like the most. Okay, now we are going to select the text, click on add a heading, and here we are just going to write text spacing, right? Or you can simply write spacing, right? Let me increase the size so it could be more visible to you, right? You can simply increase the letter spacing if required, and then you can simply add the animation. So I have clicked on animate after selecting the text, and here you need to find this spread animation, right? And here you can increase or decrease the scale as per your requirement so that the text doesn't go outside, right? Now let's see back. Okay, so in this manner you can simply create the text spacing animation in Canva. You can simply click on share and then click on download and select the current page and file type as MP4, and you can use it almost anywhere. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.